This web application can be used by experts to provide services to their clients. InTimeBook's team also provide data entry services to users. A free user also can avail these services. There is no limit. Price for each job order is Rs 3,999 only. Data files can be sent as zip or RAR file. Size should not exceed 15 MB. This zip or RAR file contains data files. It is better to send CSV files to send more files at a time. Only clear data out of the files sent will be processed. Other than Excel and CSV files will not be processed. Job order may be created for a new company or for an existing company. After sending the job order, data will be processed and uploaded to that company. Any number of job orders may be sent to one single company. The user can also work on that company. For any job order, a suspense clearance CSV file can be sent. That suspense clearance file will be applied on that company related to that job order. With that job order will be finished. There will not be any further communication over that job order. As this is being done for very less fees, user may understand this. Users can use the reports data, export to Tally if required.